Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kira. Today I'm going to take you through a procedure to tell you how to make goo. What you will need is a bowl, a spoon, any type of flour, and food coloring of your choice. The first step is to add 5 tablespoons of flour into a bowl, then add that much of water. Then you will need to stir. Then you will need to add 5 more tablespoons of flour. Then a little bit more water. Then stir again. Then till you get it to a smooth, thick consistency. If you don't have that, add more of that same ingredients. Then at the end, you would need to add food coloring of your choice, whatever color, and then you will need to contain it or whatever. And this is something funny. Oops. Oh, I can't really show you. I don't know if you can see it, but it's going. It says Clarentine, Clarentine, stop the pain, stop the pain. See? That's what I'm watching. So yeah, it's the pig. And now I'm going to say goodbye, goodbye.